Hello, do you guys want $1?
I'm good, thank you.
You guys want $1? Okay. You guys want $1? Anybody want $1? $1? You guys want $1? So just packing to go to New York and watched a Rory Kramer video. It's in my garage. There it goes. And he was doing something really cool. Just took out like some money and was just like, you know what? It's gonna make me feel good to just go give this to people. So that's exactly what I'm doing. So on the way to the ATM, and then we're gonna get in $1 bills, and then we're gonna give it to people in New York. Cha-ching, cha-ching. So now I just gotta go see if somebody will switch these out for $1 bills. We'll just exchange my $20 bills out for $1 bills, and they probably thought I was using these for the wrong reasons. But anyways, yeah, now we have a bunch of $1 bills. Money, 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 money. Let's see who needs $1. Can you give it to a parent?
I will.
Yeah. You guys want $1? Are you sure? All right. Strike one. You want $1? It's just $1. I'm just being generous. Okay. You guys want $1? Okay. What? My mind's blown. Are you guys looking for $1? No. Okay. Holy smokes. You sure? Yeah. All right, man. You can buy your girl something nice. It's $1. Do you guys want $1? Just being generous. Here you go. Yeah, you're welcome. Hey, dude, you want $1? You're welcome. Hey, when you grow up, you have to give that to somebody else, okay? You promise? All right, where's your parents at? Are they here? Okay, you're not wandering around by yourself, are you? Okay, hey, do you guys want $1? Okay. Yeah. Dude, yeah, you want $1? Yeah, all right, here. No, seriously, dude, I'm just being generous today.
Thank you.
Yeah. No, it clean, but hey, you have to give it to somebody else. Hey, nice Mountain Hardware, by the way.
Did he say, is that a $1?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sit on the bench.
Would you take $1 from somebody?
Yes, yes, absolutely. Yeah. Hey, would you guys like $1? It's new year, new me. I'm just being generous.
Thank you, man.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Hey, pass it along to somebody else, okay?
Want $1?
Nah. Hey, give it to like somebody up there, okay? All right. Hey, do you guys like $1? $1? Hey, here's the thing. You have to give it to somebody else, though, okay? All right. Hey, you said okay. All right. All right. You want $1?
No, I'm fine, thanks.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Hey, do you have a buddy that would want $1?
No.
All right, man. What's up, man? I don't need a ride, but hey, dude, here's $1. But hey, you have to give it to somebody else, okay? Oh, okay. You're welcome. Hey, would you guys like $1? You have to give it to somebody else.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Hey, here's one for you too.
Oh, thank
Yep,
you.
you're welcome. Hey, would you guys like $1? You have to give it to somebody else, though. All right. You promise you're gonna give it to somebody else?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. Are you gonna do it right now?
Oh, yeah.
Nuh-uh. Hey, let me follow you.
Okay.
Not to be weird. You'd be shocked at how hard it is to give away dollars here. You'll probably get it right off the bat, though.
Hey, do you want $1? No.
Okay. Oh, see? Dude, it's crazy. Her right here. Okay. You just have to give it to somebody else. So I gave it to her, and now she gives it to you. Okay, now you have to give it to somebody else too.
All right.
All right. Yep. Pinky promise in the air that you're giving it to somebody else. All right, bet.
Hey, buddy, you have to give that $1 to someone else.
Oh, hey, wait, knuckle promise. Oh, okay, wait. All right. Yeah. All right. Dude, that's awesome. Hey, thanks a bunch, man. Hey, would you guys like this $1? You have to give it to somebody else. Okay?
Just a random?
Yeah, just somebody you don't know. Ask them right here. They'll probably do it.
$1 to somebody else that you don't know. That's perfect.
Yeah, just give it to somebody random. Because it's just being generous. New year, new me, just being generous.
Just being
Yeah, go give it to somebody else.
Go give it to that woman.
Yeah, give it to them right down here. Yep, just go ask her if she needs $1. Yeah, you just have to give it to somebody else. Yep, being generous. Yep. Okay, you're welcome.